13-7 after one half of play on Sunday Night Football. The Rams will receive the third quarter kick. So Matthew Stafford begins from his 25-yard line. Stafford looking to avoid going 3 and out. Back to pass from the shotgun. Nice platform. He steps up and deals. Going top shelf. Cooper Kupp all alone at the 10. Touchdown LA. 56 yards. He could have taken that one all the way to LAX. So Cooper Kupp now over 100 yards receiving with a touchdown. They opened up a 13-0 lead. They still lead by 13 and looking for more with 3.5 to play in regulation. Stafford's under center. There's Cooper Kupp in motion from his left. Play action. Stafford looking for a target. Under pressure. Lets it go. Back of the end zone. Oh, some toe drag swag from Robert Woods. He plucks it out of the air. Gets 2 feet down underneath the goalpost. It's another LA touchdown. Robert Woods.
Love that. Let's go, baby.
A 34-14 win over the Chicago Bears.